yeah, the 1 minute thing. Okay, Julie.
You remind me after the first period.
Okay, I'm gonna be like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you don't remind me of anything.
Yeah, no,
you just watch the shit
after they choose, then give me time because I have to wait till like they make their decision on like top bottom. I'm just giving you the details. Oh, there he is. You'll be red. You'll be green. Don't we just want Dang, he still has his nose plugged in. Something yummy. Hey baby, maybe something yummy. Hey baby, wait. See, he almost didn't give me enough time. He almost didn't give me enough time. I don't think we're gonna get a lunch break. I don't think we're gonna get a lunch break. It's 12:52. I've gone to tournaments where we don't get lunch breaks. You gotta go to the hip.